Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me today. We are going to Home Goods, shopping some more Christmas decor, seeing what else they have out. Maybe you want to add it to your Christmas list or some gifting options. But we are going to check out what they have right now. $50 for that sleigh. And that gingerbread tree is $80. Nice and tall, $10 for that little deer. $17 and $25 for those deer. I know some of you said you were looking for some really pretty clear or glass Christmas decor, $20. $50 for the tree on the left. $17. I love those ornaments that light up. I don't actually have one, but I really would like to get one. $17. I did do my Christmas decorating already, so if you missed that, I will link that in my Christmas playlist down below if you want to check it out. $30. That one is a nice heavy tree. $30. $25 for the nutcracker. I've also did a lot of shopping for Christmas decor already. $15 for that silver tree. So if you missed those videos, they'll be linked down below as well. $13 for this tree that lights up. And the larger one in the back lights up too behind it. That one is $17. $150. That's very pretty. It lights up. I would love to see that lit. There wasn't a try me button on that. These tree toppers are each $13. I'm really curious as to whether or not you are still shopping for Christmas decor or you haven't quite started yet. I would love to know down below. $15 for that. $15 for each of these. They had gold and pink. They definitely had a lot of the Christmas decor picked over. $17. Those are some pretty sets. Those are not shatterproof, but they're really nice. You could use those for bowl filler if you didn't want to hang them on the tree. These light up bottle stoppers are all $8. $20. That would be a cute candy dish. $50. Very pretty deer to hold the wine. I love that. It's on a wooden base. $20. Wine tumbler and bag, or a wine bag and tumbler, and it's insulated. $20 for each of those pitchers there. Do any of you host $7 for these sweaters that go on the wine bottles? $8 for these glass cups here. I love Snoopy and the Grinch. $5 for these. Those ones are like a plastic. They weren't glass. $15. $7. Have some nice deer on those. This is $8. Very cute with the lid on it. $10. This has a wooden spoon with a deer on it. It says cozy inside. I like that a lot. This is $6 for these pretty tree plates. Salt and pepper shakers are each $5. Ugly sweaters there. Now I haven't posted very much recently because the decorating video did take quite a while to do and edit and get all together. These are $5 for the spoons for your hot cocoa. And also we just had my son's birthday and he wanted to do a Christmas theme, so I was really trying to get it all done and ready for his birthday. And we also had some homemade hot cocoa. These are $6 for these marshmallow bags. in the crock pot, and then we made some Grinch punch, and we had sugar cookies and pumpkin pie, and it was so nice. He loved it. He said it was the best. So these are $5 for those. That's always a cute idea if you wanted to do like a hot cocoa bar. And these are $5 for the baking cups. We had some bowls of marshmallows, or we had like a container of the hot cocoa marshmallows that normally come in like the Swiss Miss packets. And then we had some mini candy canes if you wanted to put it in your hot cocoa. This is $10. You get 10 cookie cutters in there. And this is a really cute packaging. You get 10 cookie cutters in that one as well. $30 for that set. That's really nice. These are some great gift options if you have a little baker that loves to bake, or if you have somebody that is maybe moving into their new home. These wooden spoons I love. These are $8. I really wish I would have got them. $8 for 2. They had that style and then a slightly wider mouth on the bottom. I love those. Hopefully they have them again when I go back. $8 for that set. I like the darker tone. $13 for these triple bows here. Oh my gosh, bowls. There's bows on top for the Christmas trees. $10 for this serving tray, the nice marble look with the gold edging. $25. That's really cute. It's a flower, and then you could use it as a serving bowl or as part of a centerpiece on your table. $13 for this pizza peel. I actually have this on my cutting board rack in my kitchen. I'll pop it on the screen so you could see it. I just love it. I think it looks amazing, and you could take it off of there and use it whenever you want. You get a 3-pack of these for $10. I just love all these wooden pieces, $7. They look great as accents in your kitchen. You could put them on a rack. $15, you get 2 of those. You can set them up against your backsplash. You could put them on your stove. If it's flat and you could set something on top of it. $15, you could use them as a tray, or you could use them as part of your centerpiece. You could put them on your floating shelves. There's just so much you could do with these, and it really adds some warmth to your space. I love it. This is a serving board set. Look, there's so much to pick from too, and you can mix and match different shades, different shapes. And you could use them for serving, like multi-purpose decor and function. $13 for the butter dish and knife set there. $13 for those coasters. $13 for that canister. That's really cute. Now this is a 16-piece set for the revolving spice rack. That's $20. Another great gift option, and it matches the utensils that we seen earlier. $10 for that bowl. Nice wooden bowl. You can set that on an open shelf. $5 for that. I love the handles on it. $5 for those. The ceramic oil bottles, some different designs there. This is $20. There's the knife and a little dip bowl there. You can serve some chips or veggies on there. $20. Those coasters. And that could be left out for winter, not just Christmas. $13 for that. $25. Very pretty sleigh. I love the detailing on it. $13 for these coasters. Those actually looked cute sitting in the sleigh, propped up. $17 and $17 for these jewelry holders here. Those are very pretty. great gift ideas. $13 for this one. $20, I believe this is just a tray for your bathroom. $15 for this really pretty mirror. It's a great gift option as well. $50, and then $17 for the cat scratchers. The bed is $50. That's really cute for your cat. These are some great fur kid ideas for gifting. We're going to look at a few. $17, $25, and $40 for those bowl holders. They have these very large dog toys too. I know my dogs love the really big ones. And they're $15. $10 for this one. I actually like that a lot. I should have bought it, but I didn't. But I have seen it there before. $7 for this set for the little ones. My dogs love the Chuck It balls. They're $8. And then $7 for the 2-pack. Look at this nutcracker though. It is ginormous. It's so long as the display there. $13 for that big present. It crinkles. $15 for the moose. And $25 for that Grinch set. So those were some cute options for the fur kids. $13 and then $25 for those smaller garbage cans. And the bigger ones are $60. I was actually debating between those two, and I really wanted to get the white one, but it had some dents on the bottom, so I'm really hoping they restock soon. But they're just some really cute, aesthetically pleasing garbage cans. They have some nice storage bins as well. That one was $20, $15. You get 3 of those. $13. That's the open front bin. $30 for the set of 2 drawers. And $10 for the single drawer. They have some different sizes to pick from. I can get into all the containers if you're really wanting to get organized, or maybe add those to your Christmas list, or you know somebody that's really wanting some. $25 for the stool. They have a few stool options. It's great for the kids if they're trying to, you know, get up and wash their hands. $25 for each of them. $150 for this table. That is beautiful. $130 for this one. These are great accent tables for your space. $180 for this storage bench. You could put that at the end of your bed. Store some blankets or some clothes in there. $150 for this bench. This couch is $700. I thought that was really nice and it looks cozy. $80. I love the wood-toned mirror as well. I like that a lot. I have some mirrors, but mine all have the black framing, which I love too. $150. $250. I love the tulips on there too, on the edges. Lots of different mirrors to pick from. Some very large ones as well. Like that one is massive, and I couldn't find a price on it because it's kind of buried in the back. Look at the detailing on that framing. It is huge. $13. Nice light colored frame. That's 11 by 14. $13 for this one. Pretty gold frame. Also 11 by 14. You could keep that artwork in there if you want. $50 for this shelving and $150 for the cabinet. Both great if you need some more storage for your bathroom essentials. $17 for the toilet brushes down there. This is what it looks like opened up. Gives you some extra storage space in there, some pretty legs on the bottom, 130 for these benches, a couple different options. Would go really cute with that shelving. It makes like a spa-like bathroom look. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. Would love to know what you want to see next. Do you want to see more Christmas decor shopping or some gifting shopping? Can't wait to hear from you all. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.